Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to browse the internet even when your phone is on airplane mode, just like mine. As you can see it up here, look at the airplane mode sign up there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm browsing now. I'm browsing on airplane mode, so you can actually use it to, let me open my Facebook and show you. You can use it to watch videos on Facebook. You can use it to do so many things. You can use it to watch your YouTube videos. And so many things. So guys, before we get started, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I drop a video like this. So without wasting much of time, let me quickly get started. So the first step to take is to on your data connection. You click on it to on it, and also your airplane mode at the same time. You click on it. So once that is done, you come to your phone app. This is the phone app here. You open it and dial this code *#4636# *#*. So it will open up this page. So from here, what you have to do now is to click on phone information. You click on phone information. So once it opens, okay, you click on this mobile power radio. Okay, mobile radio power. You click on it to enable it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It's now connected. So from here, if you you can switch your SIM. My current network now is Airtel. Look at it here, but you can switch it by clicking here. Look at this phone. You can click on it in order to switch your network. You can choose phone 1 or you can choose phone 0. So what you have to do is to choose the mobile network which you have data on, which you currently have data on. Okay, look at it. It's currently running. It's running up there. My data connection sign. I don't know if you can see it up there. Up there. My recording app is covering it. It's covering the arrow sign. So let's test it. Let me open my Facebook and refresh it. Okay, let's check if we can use it to watch videos. Okay, it's actually working. Look at it. It's actually working. You can use it to browse the internet and do so many things. You can use it to watch your YouTube videos. Let me open YouTube and refresh it. Look at it. It is working 100% at the time of making this video. It is working. So for you to disable this, you just scroll down and disable this airplane mode. Disable it. Just click on it to disable it. So you can now browse through it without on your airplane mode. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to be notified whenever I drop this kind of videos.